guys, I'm at the show now. Sorry I didn't get anything of the setup. I'll give you photos. Right, so the first thing we have to do is turn this jaw on. So there's that. Oopsie. And then our breakers. So the setup's pretty good, guys. We have 4 Sharpies. We have 12 diamonds, but 8 are used for front wash. And we have some intimidators and parkings. So guys, I've programmed my colours and my movements and all that. I'll be doing a video on my show trial soon. Right guys, I don't know if you can hear me that well, but I just wanted to come backstage and show you what we're going on. So to run the DMX, I've got a cable for the input, and then I got 2 5 pins going to the front wash, and then these 4 are going to the truss towers on the stage. Then we have that 3-phase distro that I showed you before.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have Nick the DJ come on for a short period.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have you all up on the dance floor. Kiri, kiri. Oleh masih tipis dah ya koro. Come on guys, you all know this one. Let's get up. Let's move. The band will be back shortly with Fanny and Paris.